Let's do some. All right. So this first question has two correct answer. The greater equal sign. Sign is either shift or divide. All right. That's kind of two things are the same. Next question. So this one we have talked about last time, right? So if we did an operation between a floating point and an integer, it will be done as double, right, internally. Okay. This one, the AND operation with the 0, 1 will isolate the least significant bit, all right? Least significant bit means the last bit. And MSB is the most significant bit, that's the first bit. In left, like far left bit, versus the least significant is the far right bit. Okay. Yeah, so this operation, there's three expressions, right? The first one is this expression, second is this one, third is this one, right? So essentially, if n equal to 0, if that's correct, x equal to n, otherwise x equal to 0, right? So in this case, n was 13, so it will be x equal to n equals to 13, all right? This one, this is a single and sign. Which, actually, okay, this answer might not be correct. Okay, anyone can tell me how to do this one? This might be complicated. Any thoughts? Yeah, you need to convert into the binary first, and then to do the bitwise operation. All right, it might take a while, I guess, to figure it out, but definitely not a 1, I guess, right? Hopefully not. Anyone try? What is that? Oh, actually, it might be. So 3 is 0, 0, 1, 1. 5 is 0, 1, 0, 1, right? So if you do the AND operation of those, you will end up with 0, 0, 0, 1. Is that right? Yeah. But it take a while to figure out, I guess. Yeah. Okay, this one, I think most of you got it right, but it won't hurt to repeat it. So, yeah, call by reference, we might actually not explain that explicitly in our slides, but yeah, if we're calling a value in your functions, okay, those are called by the reference. That's why we said, no, sorry, call the array. That means it's called by reference. So that means we're still pointing at the same memory. We only passing their address. If that's not array and it's called by value, and that means we'll actually make a copy of this value. Any modification on top of that will not affect the original one. Sorry? Yeah, only for array. Yeah. Okay, so this one we have talked about earlier. So basically that means you divide it by 2, right? So because this is an integer operation, so you get rid of the remaining, that give you the 2. So call by value means you're making a duplication of the same value, right? So yeah, again, those two terms we didn't explain specifically previously. So call by reference means you're passing the address. You are changing the original value. Call by value means you're making a copy of this value. So you're not going to change the value in a function. So this one is the same as the previous one, right? So the end 0, 1, right? That's the same. All right. Okay. Let's move on to the next new slides. Where is our new slides?